Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to freeze column and row in Excel. Okay, so if you want to learn how to freeze column and row in Excel, this video will show you how to do that. Here you will see I have this sheet and I want to just freeze this column. Okay, this column and this row. Okay, so how to do that? Here what you have to do, first select the column. Okay, if you want to freeze this column C column, so you have to select D. Okay, means if you want to freeze B column, so you have to select C, and if you want to freeze D column, you have to select E. Okay, E column. Okay, so I want to freeze C column, so I have to select D. Okay, then what you have to do, go into view. Okay, go to view, then here you will see freeze panes option. Freeze panes, click on this and you will see that C column is freezed. Okay, so now I will show you how to freeze row. Okay, so I'm going to unfreeze this, and now if you want to freeze 3 number row, okay, so what you have to do, select 4 number row, and if you want to freeze 2 number row, so you have to select 3 number row. So I want to freeze 3 number row, so I have to select 4 number row. Then here you have to just click on this freeze panes option. Okay, then you will see the 3 number row is freeze. So like this you can freeze column and row in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.